Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a lifestyle vlog. I'll be changing my living room sofa and I am going to Raymour and Flanigan. Come with me as I take you along on this journey. I am going to choose a sofa today for my living room. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that smash button, like, subscribe, drop a comment. So I love the furniture in Raymour and Flanigan, so I went there to browse on some sofas, saw something online that I liked, so a rep is about to take me to go see if what I see online in person, if I like it. So the first sofa I looked at was this, but I really wasn't feeling it. It was like really simple, no trimming on the edges. It was too plain. That was my first look. I saw it online, loved the look online, but then in person it looked different. So I'm furniture shopping for my living room. This was another one that I saw. I liked it too, but it was really plain. I needed something that gave off a little more, with a little more aesthetic to it. So I'm browsing. So just follow me, look with me, and I hope that you're watching my lifestyle vlogs, my travel vlogs, different vlogs. And then I went over and my eyes caught this sofa. The light is not doing it justice, but you will see at the end. I like this. It had a little design to it and I really liked it. I did not want two pieces though. I did not want two large pieces because before I had like a whole entertainment vibe in it, and I will drop a little clipping in this video of what I had before. We renovated our basement, so we moved that sofa to the basement, and the reason for me going to now look a new sofa. So the one with the 3-seat, I preferred that, and then I'll be getting a single arm for now instead of this double one because everyone will be in the basement. It's just to set my living room up. There's my husband fitting in. He wanted us to get the two big pieces, but I said no. It was a no for me. We continued to look, to shop, to see what else we liked. I also liked that one right there with a different color armchair. That's the look I'm going for, where there's a different little chair instead of the norm where everything looks the same. I also liked that one too, but it needed little trimmings on the edging, a little more design on it. Listen, Raymour and Flanigan is expensive, but they do sell durable. They sell good quality furniture, lots of options to choose from. What I had before was something similar to that one, an entertainment center. And I am definitely gonna drop it into this video so you see. This is the more modern look with the sofa and the chairs looking a little different. So that was the look I was going for. So I continued to look to see. They have some really nice furniture. I tell you, I saw so much that I loved, but I had a brown sofa before, so I was more going for a beige, cream. There goes me, yes. Sitting to feel the comfort. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. There was so much. I felt like a kid in a candy store. So at this point, we decided on going with this sofa that I really fell in love with. Not the 2-piece, but the 3-piece and a single one. So the one with 3 chairs and then one. So I'm about to change over my living room. And of course, your girl have little strength, so I'm helping to like lift the TV. Because we're moving it to a different section in the living room. And the day it came, it was delivered, I started to like get my living room together. It's not fully finished because I still need to get like my side tables. I need a mirror. But I got it to a comfort level. And of course, the furniture people, I didn't want to like put no camera in anyone's face. I really don't like that. People's privacy is important to me, so I was holding this down a little bit low, and I was excited. My sofa came. I will no longer see an empty living room. Once they left, I started to like set this up. No, I went out to get carpets, a rug. When I went and got the rug, seems we got the wrong size. It was small for the space, so of course the girl had to take it back. And then the same day, I was determined. I went to get a bigger rug. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So here immediately I decided, listen, I'm gonna return this rug. We need a bigger rug. And of course, at this point, we were trying any and everything to see if it would work. It did not work because the rug was tiny and I needed much more of the hardwood to be covered. So I am wrapping this up to return it. I was like so sad, but I was determined that day I'm gonna go get a new rug. So your girl went out, shop, look at my sofa. I love it, and it fits well with some of the decor I had in it, and see the single armchair. And in the near future, I'll be getting a different color, maybe a gray piece of sofa also for my living room. But for now, this is where it's at, and I wanted to show you guys some of what I did. I did a lot this summer. I traveled. Hope you saw my travel vlogs. Redecorated, made changes, and broke after this, right? Watch my YouTube videos and help me to get some money. So at this point, I'm about ready to like finish putting in my carpet because I went and I got a bigger carpet. And listen, I went to HomeSense and the carpet was expensive. I did not vlog because my phone battery was almost dying. So I went to Home Sense in Manchester, and the rug was on sale, and it was a lot. It was a lot of money. Did you see my kitchen that I renovated last year? Run on over in my lifestyle playlist and you will see how we renovated our kitchen from what it was before. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Drop a comment, and I hope that you're enjoying these lifestyle vlogs that I started to add on my channel instead of the cooking videos only. So at this point, I rolled out my rug and I'm trying to like set up. I still need to get a little more stuff for my living room, but it is comfortable at this point. I haven't even sat in there yet like for a good minute or moment. It is also a recliner where you can recline, so a little comfort sometimes, and then a bay window right there. Listen, your girl went out and I started to decorate. See, I got some throws and I got some cushions that I had and I put them out. I still need to get side tables to complete the look, and I need a mirror. I have my corner for the mirror, but I just love this rug. I love my living room. I love decorating, dressing, going out. I love to do little stuff like this. Lifestyle, it's me, only because I really don't have the money, but this is what the living room is looking like. I made some changes and I wanted to show you guys some of the project. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon.